Hello, everybody. I wonder what time it is. It is time for night night. What are you doing, Rock Rock? You're rubbing your face on Mama's leg, huh? Hi, Princess. Oh, look at Monkey in the water dish. We got Sammy on Bob. We got Baby eating almonds. Botten, of course, just checking everything out. Bam Bam, Bam Bam, say hi. Bam Bam. Hi. 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 And we got Tequila and Golda. And we got the Lopez family. And we got Mango and Angel up there. And we got Polly up there. And right here, we have Yessie. So, I got a bunch of my kids out with me tonight. And I was busy tonight doing what I love doing. And that was... Let's see if this will come out without a glare. I drew Botten. Botten, look. Look. That's you. That's you. I can't reach him. Is that you? You're scared? You're scared? Anyway, guys, so yeah, I was a little creative tonight. And I drew Botten. What are you doing? What are you doing? Something's with my camera. What's it doing? Something's weird with the camera right now. It's doing a focusing thing. Alright. We'll deal with it. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go watch General Hospital and then I'm going to go to bed. So we want to say sweet dreams. No, no, no. No taking out his feathers. No, Botten, pick your head up. Hi. Hi. You say night-night? Say night-night. Say hi, Bam Bam. Bam Bam, hi. It's Phoenix. Alright, guys. I am saying goodnight. And we will see you tomorrow. Sammy's busy. I'm not sure if I said it. Did I say sweet dreams and sleep with those beautiful, beautiful angels? I don't remember. I'm tired. It was a long Monday. Anyway, guys, we will see you tomorrow. Night, night. Bye-bye. Baby, can you say bye-bye? Baby, say bye-bye. Baby, say bye-bye. Apple? Say something. Nothing? Alright, baby's got nothing tonight. Alright, guys. Night-night.